My name is Junaid Jasani. I am CEO of Savins Fabricant. We are focusing on VR drones because we believe in 2017 VR and drone will be a big success. That's why we have started working on this technology from now. Our concept is adaptable drones, or drones that can be converted into vehicle and vice versa. Our drones are having FPV cameras, so it means it can be used in a VR glasses and user can have the same feeling as like a pilot seat or driving seat. Our vision is to be one of the few companies in the world who will produce drones for commercial purposes like delivering food or helping groceries. In the meantime, we will focus on our adaptable drone series and we will introduce new features within a year. In order to make this idea a big success, we need you. Try our product and give us a constructive feedback so we improve this product in future again and again. If this becomes a success, then we can invest more money and more time in our new series. Thank you.
Action sports are challenging to capture. Unlike other sports, there's unstable movement and there's techniques that can't be captured by ordinary cameras. And that's why we're excited to bring you MyDrone, the world's first multi-function auto-follow drone. MyDrone is a camera drone that provides action sport enthusiasts and filmmakers the unmatched solution that they've been waiting for with extraordinary footage, unbelievable accuracy, and unmatched ease. It's a quadcopter that automatically follows you and captures spectacular angles with high-def 4K quality camera or your own GoPro camera. It's time to discover new perspectives from great heights and capture your adventure sports in high-quality 4K resolution with a super smooth 3-axis camera stabilization. We're redefining the way that enthusiasts capture some of the most amazing moments. No matter the sport or the epic action, your personal camera buddy, MyDrone, is only a click away from making movie magic come to life. Our team of engineers, software developers, and designers have conducted 9 years of independent research and development, along with over 10,000 flight tests to ensure that safety and reliability in bringing every MyDrone user a seamless, hassle-free experience. You don't have to worry about not having any remote control piloting skills. The drone operates autonomously and captures every move smoothly and proficiently. Now you can sit back, or better yet, launch forward, and do your thing. Have fun and leave capturing your moments to MyDrone. Simply attach the sport watch on your wrist along with the follow module on your arm, or put it in your pocket. Turn it on, then press takeoff, and you're ready to go. Now you can concentrate on your best performance and let MyDrone do the rest. The drone and the camera gimbal simultaneously work together to ensure that the user's always in the center of the frame. So you don't have to worry about the right angles or being filmed or about anything else. MyDrone will act as your personal cameraman. It's auto-follow, so it follows you everywhere, as long as you have the module on. And no matter the angle of the drone, you won't have propellers in your footage since the camera sits all the way at the front of the copter. Foldable arms make transporting the drone super easy. Now you can take your camera with you to places where you once thought it was impossible. With MyDrone, your creativity is only limited by your imagination. Easily transform MyDrone from sport watch follow mode to piloting manually with a remote control in just seconds. There's 20 minutes of flight time. You can also use MyDrone's smartphone application with live telemetry and live display to perform auto flights. Simply set several checkpoints on the map and the drone will automatically fly the route without any manual operation. And when the battery gets too low, MyDrone will land itself safely. By backing this project, you'll be one of the first owners of MyDrone. Help us make your action sport experience one to look forward to, look back on, and remember. And we thank you for your support.
Cactus Robotics presents Droico, the first true gaming drone. Laser battles, drone racing, and many other games. Double coaxial propeller for an excellent stability and higher efficiency. Realistic swash plate mechanism to allow fast movements in every direction. Swappable high-performance battery to achieve much longer flights. Droico is a high-technology micro-drone fully focused on gaming. Combined with its innovative checkpoints, gaming possibilities are endless. Checkpoints are little standalone boxes used to define special areas. Use them to define your racing track, to time your laps, and to make sure no player is skipping any control point. Droico can be flown using your smartphone with our free app or using any standard RC transmitter. Thanks to its light weight, its propellers are fully safe for kids, pets, and objects, and you are allowed to fly it anywhere, indoors, in any room, or outdoors when there's no wind. Droico features a laser marker, laser detectors, and proximity weapons. Combat your friends in epic drone laser battles or improve your skills with training targets. You can even create your own game rules. For example, you can play drone racing with weapons enabled or drone combats with ammunition refill areas. More complex games like Capture the Flag or Defend Your Base are being developed, as well as new missions and challenges. Depending on what game mode you are playing, Droico will react in a different way once it is hit. It can simulate damages, make control harder, or simply fall down to the ground. Select your own piloting mode, very easy flying with limited speed and automatic altitude, for beginners to learn how to pilot drones, or unlimited manual mode for pro players to show off their skills, powerful microcontroller and lots of professional-grade sensors to achieve great flying performance. Droico is also a fully open-source learning platform for electronics and coding.
Hello, my name is Luis Rodenas and I'm the founder of Cactus Robotics. With your support, we will be able to take Droico to mass production. Thank you very much.
Get your Droico now on Kickstarter with a great discount.
Basically, the problem is even if you live near a makerspace or you happen to have a laser cutter, there is still a lot that goes into doing a project that's kind of on the front end that sometimes you just do not feel like doing, like sourcing parts or cutting something out on a laser cutter, making a CAD file, all these things that go into sometimes making a project that can be really annoying when sometimes you just want to build. we make kits for do-it-yourself projects in the fields of science and engineering. And we do this in order to lower the barrier of entry to these projects. The whole reason this company exists right now is because we had a Kickstarter that was successful back in November of 2014. Kickstarter is the best place for this type of mentality of people, for makers, for tinkerers, for people that like to take a chance on things, like to experiment. So it's a really good place for us to get some really solid feedback. So the new kit we have coming out this time is the mini Lego drone. And basically what this thing is a tiny little RC quadcopter that you make out of Legos and it flies. The beauty of this thing is you're gonna crash it because it's a quadcopter. You will crash this thing, and the difference is you just pick it back up, glue it together, and go again. We got a special thing going on this time where we're part of the Make 100 campaign for Kickstarter, where we have a Roar tier where there's a limited edition 100 metallic mini Lego drones. We will not offer this on our website or at Amazon or any other point in our life cycle. These are really cool shiny Legos. We also have one tier where you can just buy the normal Lego drone in an assortment of colors. We have a tier where you can actually donate a drone to a local STEM initiative. And we have another reward if you're not about drones but you're about kittables. We have what we call the Wigglebot, which is this little thing. It's a motor, it's a battery, it's some Sugru, a Lego, and you kind of make this thing that just like bounces around your table. Super simple, really easy project for someone that's just getting into it, and it's kind of fun. So what Kittables is trying to do, and this might be a high, lofty goal of ours, but we'll get there one day, is we really want to make the maker movement more inclusive of categories of people that are being left out. And honestly, that's mostly older generations. So a lot of things in the maker movement are focused around young kids right now, and we think that making is for everybody, and we don't see any reason why a 50-year-old can't build a quadcopter. We think that's silly, that these things are only focused around one age group and around one gender and around one type of product. So it's mostly electronics. We offer things that go the gamut from like a nightlight to a crystal you make out of molten metal to something that flies. And we try to keep it non-field specific and non-age specific. And the whole idea is that we build a community that is innovative, that believes in making, that touching things with their hands. We live in an increasingly digital society, and although that's really cool and it helps us out in a lot of ways, it's made us lose touch a little bit about where our products come from, what actually goes into making any of these things.